Hello gentlemen, today in our double we have two major tasks to do, which both will end up with a document that you will submit. So today we're doing lessons 3 and 4 from the schedule. It is first of all a case of marking your attendance, that's lesson 2 for week 3. Then you off you go to lesson 3. Lesson 3, we have a very simple one. That's the old homework sheet. Now, you already most probably got a copy in hard copy. Certainly, you can use that and scan it in. Alternatively, you might want to download it and type your answers in here. Okay, and then in both cases, either scan or save this document to your Google Drive. You'll then submit that to me by the end of the double. So if you go back to the class page, scrolling down, we find that in Turn 2 Cell and Genetics, there is the homework sheet 1. I will make it so that it will close at 10:30. So you've got to the end of the double. Sorry, not 10:30, 12:35. That's right, your period 3 and 4. So, and to submit, all you need to do is go over to a video presented by Mr. Fivefield. I'll just get it started, and he'll show you how to go about submitting on Mass Code. So, and you'll be doing that for the other task as well. So once you've completed that, you are then ready to start on the next assignment, which is demonstrated in lesson 4. So we go to lesson 4. You have a sort of mini project to do. I'll download that. And there it is. And we're looking at the different types of cells and the organelles in particular. So you have a video to watch. And there's also the other video that you watched the other day from the Amoeba sisters. So once you have completed that task, again you will save that to your Google Drive, and then you'll come back and submit it using the same technique as shown to you by Mr. Fifield, and that will be up here, General Science Cell Project. This will be due in on Friday. Hey, look, I'll make it 7 o'clock at night. So um, that should give you plenty of time. So today we suggest you do up to questions 4, and that should keep you busy for the 2 periods. Don't hesitate to ask any questions either via forum or email. Have a great day.